Hey YouTube, here again just to bring you guys a tutorial. It's going to be real quick here. I've been looking on YouTube and Google searching, trying to see how to remove the whole assembly on the side view mirrors of a 2009 Volkswagen EOS. And I couldn't find any, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Now there's fancy tools you can get using a screwdriver. You want to pop the mirror. There we are. It will be attached to wires. These wires are actually glued on as well, so I can't disconnect them, unfortunately, so I just let it hang in here the entire time. So now there will be two screws that you have to get. I'll show you where they are. The first screw you need to get is right here. These are Torx 10 screws. The second one, you can see it, is right here. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I want to access the puddle light that's under here. They're halogen bulbs, and I don't like halogen. I'm an LED fan. Yeah, so be wary. On the side of the side marker here, the LED side marker, there's going to be a plastic pin. You got to push that in and pull it out. I did the other side already and I broke the plastic piece as well, even when I was cautious, so whatever. It's not going to help do anything, won't hold it in. It's all screwed together anyways. Disconnect this little harness. Get yourself some channel locks. Now there's going to be a little bulb connected to the puddle light. It's rubberized. Pull it out. Now you remove the bottom piece. Put in nice LED. They're not the prettiest ones, but they're freaking powerful and bright. And I only use them in areas where you can't really see the LED itself. Now to test if it works, LEDs have a polarity sensitivity, so you need to plug this little harness back in. After you do that, my doors are locked right now. I press the unlock button. Nope, it's not on, you see that? So, lock it right away. Pull it out, flip it 180. Pop it back in. Now let's try this again. Unlock. There we are. Now, in order to put it all back together, you just do the reverse of what you just did. First you start with putting the bulb back inside the chamber where it goes. Here's the hole. Plug that back in. You hook this back around, you click it back in there. Then you put the gray cap, then you put the bezel. You want to make sure that you connect this. And then you put the mirror back on. You screw it in and you put the mirror back on. Thank you for spending time on watching this video. I hope this was very helpful for you guys. I know that I had spent a couple minutes just trying to figure out how to open this safely without breaking any plastic. So, alright, take care.